big black horse and a cherry tree. I felt a little fear upon my back and said, don't look back, just keep on walking. When the big black horse had looked this way and said, hey lady, will you marry me? But I said no, 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 no. I said no, no, you're not the one for me. Oh, no, 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 no. I said no, no, you're not the one for me. My heart had a problem in the early hours, so I stopped it dead for a beat or two. But I cut some cord and I shouldn't have done it, and it won't forgive me after all these years. So I sent it to a place in the middle of nowhere with a big black horse and a cherry tree.